Welcome back to all. Hope you are doing well at your homes. Today I am going to show you all the projects which are given by me about unprojected. The title is Classification of Living Organisms. The first one is Kinza Noor. Lion, the king of the forest and animals. Horse, the brave animal and faster runner. White, pure white rabbit and radish eyes. The second one is Aksa. I'm showing you the vertebrates animals, bear and the sparrow. Now the invertebrates animals, shellfish and fly. Starfish and fly. The other project, Aisha, fish and knoll. The last one of Hira Ahsan.